Hello everybody. Now we will discuss then how can you change the decimal into the binary into the octal and octal to the hexa. Previous video में हमने already भी discuss, लेकिन to refresh your memory I am going to discuss again. See now this is your decimal number is there 229 base 10. Binary में base 2 होता है, is already you know. In octal base 8 and in hexadecimal base is 16 is there only. So you want to change the decimal into the binary. So you have to divide it by the 2 every number. Divide by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Whatever your remainder comes, you must write on here only. You must write on the remainder is 1. Then again you have to divide it by this one. That is 57, remainder is 0. Again divide 28, remainder is 0. 2, 14, remainder 0. Here is the remainder is 1 is there because 28 means 1 will remainder here. You have to divide by 2, that is 14, 0. 2 7 ja, 0, remainder 0. 2 3 ja 6, then 1 is here. 2 1 ja 2, that is 1 is here only. Now to write in the binary, then you have to go down to up. You have to write this digit first. इससे पहले लिखो फिर ये likewise this one. So this is your binary. So you can change the decimal into the binary. Now question is then how can you change the binary into the octal? तो octal में change करने का one of the simplest way ये है कि you are supposed to write on this number and make the group of 3 terms. 3 का ग्रुप बनाइए. देखिए ये first 3, these 3. But here is the 2 is there, so you can put the 0 for the own convenience. Now in case of the change into the octal, you must take the 3 numbers only. 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 3. This is 8, this is 2 and 1. अब यहाँ पर you have to write for this 0, 1, 1, 1. First for this one only. Means 0 means we will not take it. We will not optate this one only. 0 के लिए हम इसको नहीं लेंगे. तो that is 0 is here. Plus for this 1 is 2. Plus for this 1 is 1 we will take. So this is your 3. Now similarly we will take for these 3. 1, 0, 0. For 1 we will take. We will observe for 1. 1 for के लिए करेंगे. This one is there. 1 is there. That is your 8 plus for 0 0 plus 0. So this is your 8. I think any mistake we are committing is here only. Sorry, this is not 2 raised to power 2 will be here. Yes, because 2 raised to power 1, then 1, 0, then 1, then 2 will come. So here the 4 will come is here. So this is your 4 is here. So this is your 4. Now similarly you will take for 1, 0, 1. So 1 के लिए we will obtain this 4. For this 0, second is no. For this 1 we will take this 1 is here. So this is equal to 5. So you are getting the number is here only 3, 4, 5. This is 3, 4, 5 and at the base 8. So you are getting this is octal is there. So you can change into the decimal into the binary to the octal. Now we will change octal to hexadecimal and after that we will discuss that how can you add the binary numbers. Have a look. Yes, now the octal, this 345 octal we are supposed to change into the hexadecimal is there only. So first of all we will change this octal into the binary. So with the help of this one you can change the binary. See now 3 is here only. So see 4 we will not adopt 0. We will not adopt 0. This 4 is here but we will take the 2, 1 and plus 1 is 3. So that is 0, 1, 1. The number which you are taking, जो number हम ले रहे हैं उसके लिए 1 लिखेंगे. तो देखिए 4 अगर if you are doing here only then 4 we will not take 0 plus because we want 3. So 2 plus 1 that is you are getting 3. So for this one is 0 we are taking this 2, we are taking this 1, so we have to write 1 1 is here. Similarly for 4 we will take is here 1, we will not take 0, then we will not take this one also because 4 plus 2 plus 1 will be the 7 but we need 4 only. तो 4 लेना है तो केवल इसको अडॉप्ट किया तो we will write 1, we are not adopting this one. Now this 5 we will take 4, we will take 4, 2 we will not take, 2 plus 4 plus 2 6 होगा but we want 5, so we will not take this one, we will take 1 only. So this is 1. So binary number you are getting is here only what you are getting 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is the number which you are getting the binary. Now you can change this binary into the hexadecimal. For the hexadecimal is already we discussed. हेक्साडेसिमल के लिए क्या करते हैं अगर if you want to change the binary into the octal or this one, you have to take the 3 terms is there. 3 का ग्रुप बनाते थे, लेकिन here we will make the group of 4. See here. So this is, we will take 1, this is your 2, this is your 4, and this is your 8. Now here we will make the group is, numbers are 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. You are supposed to make the group of this one. This 4. This is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 4 terms here, and 4 terms is also here. For this one you will make, just see now. For this one we will adopt is here. So what will come? 8 is here plus. For this one, 4 will be here. For this one 2 is here plus. For this 0 we will not adopt 0. So this is equal to 14. Now we will take for, this is for this one only. Now we will take for 0, 1, 0, 1. So for this one you will take, what you will get? 0. We will not adopt this 0. For this one we will adopt this number 4. For this 0 we will not adopt this one. For this one we will adopt this 1. So this is, you are getting 5. So what the number you are getting? You are getting 145. Hexadecimal form is there only. See, one more thing is there only. This 145 hexadecimal can be written as, just see now, हम क्या करते हैं, 0 to 9 we keep as it is, but after 10 we give the number, the letter is there. 10 we represent by A, 11 we represent by B, 12 we will represent by C, 13 represent by D, likewise there only. So here is 14, 5, 145 is there, 14 represent by E, so it can be written as E5, 16. This is also way to write, to represent the, in the hexadecimal form is there only. जैसे ही 9 से above जाते हैं तो 10 is there, you can write down A for 10, 11 के लिए B, likewise you can write down. So you can change the decimal into binary, binary you can change it octal, octal can be changed into the hexadecimal is there only. Have a look. Yes. Now, how can you add the binary numbers? If the binary addition is there, the rule for the binary addition is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is also 0, but 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2. This is binary operation is there, 1 plus 1, if these are the bits are there, so 1 plus 1 that is equal to 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. See now, first we will add 1 plus 1, so this is your 10, and 10 plus 1 you will add, that you will get 11 is here only, this one. This is the rule is there, so इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए we are supposed to add them. How can you add? Just see now. Here you are going to add is here 1 plus 1, that is equal to 10. 10 means you will put the 0, but you will be the carry 1 is here. 1 will be the carry. Now this 1 plus 1 is 10 again, so 0 is here, then 1 carry is here again, then 1 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1 is here again. So here is 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so 1 will come here and 1 is carry. Now 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 will is that is. This is your answer, first case. This is your answer is there only. Now look at here now. देखिए 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1, then 0 plus 1 is 1, but 1 plus 1 is 10, so 10 will come here only. So sum will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is your sum is there only. This is 1. Remember these are the 1 is there now. You 1 here. This is 1. See. Now similarly here only. See. 1 plus 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 that is 1. 1 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1 will come here. 1 plus 1 is 10, 0, carry 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1, and this 1 will remain as it is. And this is your answer. And this is your answer. So here you will get 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So likewise, you can add them. Next we will discuss the rule for the binary subtraction. Have a look. Yes. Now in case of the subtraction, how can you subtract the two binary numbers is here. The rule for the binary subtraction is there. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0, 1 में से 0 subtract करेंगे, you will get 1. 1 में से 1, you will get 0. लेकिन if you are going to subtract 1 from 0, then it will be equal to 1. but with a borrow 1. So इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए. Look at here now. कैसे करेंगे? Look at here now. देखिए, here is a 1 minus 1, you will get the 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now here is the 0. We cannot subtract 1 from here only. So what we will do? We will borrow from this one. हम क्या करेंगे? यहां से borrow करेंगे. जब यहां से 1 borrow करेंगे तो it's become a 10. It's become a 10. मीन्स और यहां क्या हो जाएगा? 0. बिकॉज 1 हमने ऑलरेडी यहां से बोरो किया तो इट्स बिकम अ 10. लेकिन 10 का मतलब 10 माइनस 1 नहीं हुआ. 10 मीन्स 2. 10 मीन्स 2 is here. So then 2 minus 1 you will do? You will get the 1 is here. This is your answer. Similarly, here you can take. यहां you can understand. See, 1 minus 1 किया, 0 is there. लेकिन यहां 1 we will subtract from here. So we will borrow from here. लेकिन ये यहां से borrow we cannot do because ये तो already 0 है. How can you borrow from here? तो what we will do? ये जब ये borrow यहां से borrow नहीं कर सकते तो we will go to the next one only. Then we will borrow from here. Again ये फिर भी 0 है. इसके पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं. This is already 0 in itself. तो how can you borrow? Then again इसके पास जाइए. Then again 0 है. So we cannot borrow. अब क्या करेंगे? ये यहां से borrow करेगा here. जब ये यहां से 1 borrow करेगा तो it's become a 0 और ये हो जाएगा 10. 10 means 2. अब ये 2 क्या करेगा? It will give you 1 is here. ये 1 यहां दे देगा तो ये 1 देगा तो यहां 1 रह जाएगा. Here it's become again 10. 10 means again 2 हो गया. Then फिर again we will borrow from here. यहां से ये 1 इसको दे देगा. It's become a 2 10 but here क्या हो जाएगा? 1 हो जाएगा. Here is 1 हो जाएगा. 2 था 1 चला गया इधर. Now 2 then this is 2 is here only. यहां 2 होगा. Then इस ये 1 हो गया. इसने borrow करके यहां दिया 10. That is become a 2. Now you can subtract. देखिए 1 में से 0 0 हुआ. 2 में से 1 is 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1. अब इसको देखेंगे जो यहाँ बच गया. We should be very careful. जब यहां से हमने borrow किया ना तो 10 हुआ. 10 का मतलब 2. 10 is not means 10 minus 1 you are doing. 10 minus 1 or you are doing. No. ये these are the binary addition subtraction we are doing. These are the bits are there. You know. तो यहां से 1 हमने borrow किया 10. 10 का मतलब 2. अब 2 में से एक borrow इधर कर दिया तो यहाँ 1 बच गया. यहां से 1 borrow किया तो यहाँ 0 हो गया. 1 here. Here, then यहाँ 1 दिया 10, then again 2, फिर यहाँ से 1 किया इधर, then continue this one. तो अब now you can direct subtract 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 is here, 1 minus 1 0. ये वाला देखिए 1 minus 1 is again 0. Here is 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is your answer 1 0 0 1 0. This will be your answer is here only. तो you should be subtraction में you should be very careful. यहाँ देखिए again 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. अब now again we cannot borrow from here because we cannot subtract 1 is here. तो what we will do? We will borrow. तो borrow कहां से करेंगे? यहां से. जब यहां से हम borrow करेंगे तो it's become a 0 और ये हो जाएगा 10. 10 का मतलब 2. अब 2 में से 1 गया 1 is here. यहाँ 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 will remain 0. 1 minus 1 is 1 and this is 1 minus 1 0. So this is your answer. So in subtraction is an entirely different thing. देखिए जब हम यहां पर इस वाले को ध्यान से देखो इसको जब हमने यहां से इसमें से we cannot subtract. We can subtract only by taking the borrow. तो borrow कहां से करेंगे? इस वाले से. लेकिन ये तो अपने आप में ही 0 है. It cannot give you anything. तो ये इससे मांगेगा लेकिन ये भी 0 ये इसको नहीं देगा फिर ये इसको मांगेगा. Likewise we will continue this one only. लेकिन जब हम borrow करते हैं जैसे यहाँ 1 था we are going to borrow तो it's become a 0. It's become a 10. 10 का मतलब 2 हुआ. फिर यहां से 1 we are going to borrow here. We are sending 1 तो here will remain 1. Now 10 means 2 again. That is फिर वहां से यहाँ 1 किया यहाँ 1 हो गया. Likewise we will continue. So have a look. Yes. Now in case of the multiplication is there. Multiplication rule simple है. 0 into 0 0 will be there. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is here only. So very simple is there. लेकिन क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर अटकता है here only. If you are multiplying this number by this one, this, if you multiply this by this one is there only, then how can you? Look at here. पहले इसको देखिए. What we will do, as usual, we will multiply this by 1 each and every time. So 1 into 1 is 1, then 1, then 1, 0, and 1 is here. Now for this we will multiply. So what we will do? We will hide this one. इसको हटा देंगे. As usual, we are doing the multiplication. Same thing we will do. So 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now you can add them. You can add them. 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 nahi, 10. So 0 is here, 1 is born, will be carry. So 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 10. and this is your answer. This is your answer. 1,0,0,1,0,1. Now the question is here only. यहाँ problem आता है. You should be very good. So here is we will do partially. एक साथ नहीं करेंगे. Partially we will do. What we will do first of all? We will multiply by this 1 only. As usual we will multiply 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. By this 0 we will multiply. So we will hide this one. So this is 0 means 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. You will add this one only. This is your first partial product. यहाँ जो आएगा 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is your first partial product. See, now we are not multiplying by the 0, 1 only. We are supposed to multiply by these 4 digits here only. तो इससे तो हमने किया, इससे हो गया. अब we will multiply this one. तो इसके लिए multiply करेंगे तो देखिए पहले तो एक डिजिट तो ये ऑलरेडी छूटा था यहाँ पर, लेकिन फॉर दिस वन इसके लिए एक डिजिट यहाँ छूट गया. अब इससे करेंगे तो वन मोर डिजिट यू हैव टू लेफ्ट. तो दिस डिजिट विल बी लेफ्ट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. जितना मिस्टेक होता है चिल्ड्रन आर डूइंग द मिस्टेक इज हियर ओनली. देखो लुक एट हियर. फॉर दिस वन एज यूजुअल 0 विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस वन, तो वी विल लेफ्ट वन डिजिट फ्रॉम द राइट साइड, then you are getting this one. Now for this one we will do, so it means 2 digits you must left. 2 digit you must left. Of this by 1 you have to multiply this one, so you will get 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. You can add them. So this is 1, 1 will remain. 1 plus 1, 10. This is carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. Here is 1 and 1. And this is your second. Means that is, it's not the second, it was this. This is your third partial product. We are doing, this is the third one is there. Now again you have to, so देखिए these two are already left for these two up to here only. Now इसके लिए one more छोड़ना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3. Now by 1 we will put 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Add them. So this is 1, 1, 0 will remain. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 10, carry 1. Carry is here. 1 plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11. Carry 1 is here. 1 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1. Here 1 plus 1 is 10. And this is your answer. So likewise, you can add them. So you can multiply. So this is 100, 101, 011. And this is your answer. So you should be very careful here only. In case of the 2 digits are there is no problem. Problems comes in case more than 2 digits. So partially we will do. एक एक बार में करेंगे, पार्शियली करेंगे, फर्स्ट देन सेकंड देन थर्ड, लाइकवाइज देयर ऑल. हैव अ लुक. Yes, in case of the division is there, so the rules of binary division is 0 is divided by 1, you will get the 0. 1 is divided by 1 is 1, but the 1 over 0 and 0 over 1, 0 have a no meaningful. They are not meaningful means we will not, it cannot be defined only. You can say the indeterminate form is, you can say. So now look at here, then how can you divide this here? You should be very careful here. देखिए यहाँ पर this first 101 you are taking, so 101 is not divided by 111. So we will take these first 4 digits is there. First 4. So we will divide by this one only. So we will write 1, 1, 1, and this is 1 is here. Now we will subtract this here only. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Here is 0. Say we cannot subtract here. We cannot subtract. So same method is there as the subtraction. What we will do? We will borrow from here. यहाँ से एक borrow करेंगे तो it's become a 0 and this become a 10. 10 means 2. 2 में से 1 गया, you will get 1. Now see, now this 100 is not, you have to take down this 1 is here. You must take down this. Then again it is divided by, so that is 1, 1, 1. 1 time here. You can write down this is here only. 1, 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Here is 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow from here. लेकिन यहाँ तो already 0 है, so it cannot give you. तो ये यहाँ से लेगा. Same method. So here it's become a 0. It's become 10 means 2. Then 2 say again it's become a 1. We will take 1 borrow. 10 is here, so it will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now here is we will take down this one. So this is your quotient. This is your quotient. And this is your remainder. Because now you cannot divide this here because this 101 is smaller than this one is there. अब देखिए यहाँ पर you will take. Here is 101. You have to divide. So divide by 1. So this is 101. So we will subtract here. 0 minus 1. So you cannot subtract here. So same method, we will borrow from here. यहाँ से borrow करेंगे, it's become a 0. It's a 10. 10 means 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 0. So have no meaning at all. So you are getting 1 is here. Now you will take down. See, now here I am writing 1. Then we will take down 0 is here. So it's not divisible by, so 0 will come. And this 1 is here only. So your quotient is 10. And this is your remainder. Just see, it can be divisible. Again, you can divide this one is there only. See, because it will be divisible by 1 only. So that's 101 we will write only. So 10 will be there and your remainder will be the 0. So quotient will be the 10 and remainder will be the 0. So in division also you should be very careful is here only. So yes, answer quotient is 10 and remainder is 0 is there only. Because देखिए यहाँ take down किया है ना, तो 0 take down करेंगे here, then we will take the 1, it is divided by, because it is not going to divide, so we will put 0 is here only. क्योंकि ये 10 जब इस 0 को यहाँ लेंगे, it will not be divisible, so that's why 0 will come, then this is here only. Have a look. Yes, now these are the few questions I have written here only. You can go through and solve it, do yourself. घर पे इनको देखिए एक बार करके. Here is addition is here, then subtraction, then multiplication, and then divide. And few more question is there. Then question can be asked, solve for binary number. These are the binary numbers. Don't take like this is 11 into 110 you are multiplying. No, these are the binary. So according to the binary number system, you have to multiply and divide them only. So you must try at home only. This is your homework, you can say, do yourself.